Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andie. So today we're going to do, I think it's day 3, look 3, with this Ciate Mykonos palette. So at this point we all know what it looks like. Yeah, it will be day 3 because I used this on the first day all over the lid, and then yesterday I used this one, and I think today I want to go in with this gold shade here all over the lid. So first of all though, let's put this shade just over the base that I've got on. Right, so now we've got that on, let's go in with, let's see what we're going to be using. I'm going to try and use one I've not already used. I think I'm going to try and use this one and just see how much I can build it up to make it look like a transition shade, because I've used all of the lighter shades. I've used this one here and I've used this one here, and then they're all just dark. So let's see what we can do with this. Let's get the colour switch. It might not work the way I want it to, but we'll just see. Yeah, it's not really showing up. I'm going to have to go over with a darker shade, I think. I mean, you can clearly see that it is showing up a little bit. Maybe if I build it up it will be a little bit better. So we'll just do that and then I'll put a darker shade in. Feeling really sick again. Every time I eat, I don't know if I've got indigestion or what, but I'm getting like a really sick feeling after. So I don't really know what that's about, but it can't be good, can it? I mean, I'm either being sick or I'm having a kind of sick feeling, but it's every time I eat. Otherwise, you know, I'm okay. I mean, it might be the fact that I don't eat that much anyway. I don't have 3 meals. I only eat when I'm hungry basically, and that's probably not good for the body and probably confusing it. So yeah, I don't know what's going on there, but if it carries on then I'll have to go to the doctors and get it checked out. My mum thinks I could have an ulcer. I'm hoping that's all it is. That's bad enough having an ulcer, but yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update there. Right, so now I feel like going in with a shade. Right, so let's start again. Right, so I've just charged the external light up for a bit. So we're just about to dip into this shade, I think. I'm not too sure whether I said that shade or that shade. We'll go in with this shade anyway. I'm just going underneath where I placed that first shade. You can barely see it, so it's not a good transition. And then I'm going to go in with a darker shade. So we're going to go in with this one. I've not used this one yet. If anything, I think it's got too many similar shades in it, this. I'm feeling like it's got too many like dark browns. But we'll talk about that on day 5. I feel like it's getting patchy as well. Right, let me get my other brush. So when I'm putting eyeshadow on the outer V, I like to use this one. Sometimes it works and it's not as patchy. it doesn't want to blend out. Yeah, it's really patchy here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Right, so let's try it on the other eye. Doesn't seem as patchy. I mean, it is a little bit. It's blending a little bit better with this Primark brush, but it's still quite patchy. Right, now we're going to go in with this shade here. It's a really pretty gold. Oh, that's nice. This shade, I feel like you won't even need to spritz your brush with it. It's really, really pretty. Of course, we're going to spritz the brush. This one is like a foiled eyeshadow, it's just so pretty. Right, let me go and get my spray now and then we'll spritz it. Okay, so I've just sprayed the brush, so I'll go back in again with that gold shade. Which it is a little bit more pigmented. I wouldn't say too much, not as pigmented as that rose shade went yesterday when I sprayed the brush. I'd say this shade is a flop in the palette from the ones I've tried. I'm probably going to have to go in with another shade over the top that's similar. I'd just say that's a real bad flop. I'm going to try this gold shade here over the top of it. Yeah, that's better. Right, now I'm going to wipe the brush off and I'm going to go in with this dark brown again. I've got loads of glitter on my face. Okay, I'm just going to blend it all out a little bit. Then I'm going to go back in with a cream shade. Right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip my finger into this gold shade here and just pat it on. It is stunning. I made the right call in choosing it. Okay, right. So I just had to get my eyeliner, so we're going to tight line. Right, I think this is the finished look. So this is what we're looking like. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I really like it. I think it looks really nice. On first impressions with the palette, I know I said that I was getting kind of like blah vibes, but on first impressions I'm really enjoying using it. I don't know what I'm going to be using tomorrow. That shade looks nice. That shade looks nice, but it's too like rosy. I mean, it looks pretty much like that. I think that one's going to be a little bit darker. Can you see how they're quite similar? Just this one's a little bit darker. So I don't really want to wear that one as well because they're just two similar shades. I'll have a look and I'll do some swatches tonight and have a think. So tomorrow is day 4, look 4. The only thing with this palette, I feel like it's similar. You're getting a lot of like dark browns, you're getting a lot of transition shades, you're getting, like I've just swatched here, like at least 2 rosy shades. Then you've got like this shade and this shade, which aren't really similar, but I bet they'll look really similar on the eye. What about this shade down here? Yeah, that's quite rosy as well. So already there you're getting like 3 different tones of rosy coloured eyeshadows. I don't feel like you need it, and also I don't feel like you need all these shades for like setting. I don't feel like you need all these shades for inner corner highlight. I mean, you've got that one down there, that's 3, and then this one here as well, that's 4. I wonder if that one would work as an all over the lid shade. Yeah, it probably would if you built it up, which might be interesting to try. So that's what it looks like, that very pale gold. So guys, we're gonna leave this video here because my glossy box mystery box turned up today. That's probably going to go up before this video, and we're going to look at that together. I don't know when my glossy box monthly box, you know, like the normal monthly box, is going to turn up. I've really been struggling with glossy box customer service lately, which I'm going to go into when that glossy box turns up. But yeah, I do not rate Glossybox customer service at all. They barely get back to you, and it takes them like 3 days to get back to you, which is just absolutely ridiculous in my opinion anyway. Let me know your thoughts down below on Glossybox. Have you had any bad experiences with their customer services? I would really appreciate it. And this is it for now guys. I will see you in the next one. If you've not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button down below, click the notifications bell, please like and share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.